Hello everyone and welcome, my name's Ben and today I've been doing a chicken stock. Now it's been simmering now for an hour or so. I'm just going to strain it and see what it looks like. We've just taken the legs and breasts off chicken, and as you can see there's still an awful lot of meat on there. So I'm going to make a stock and pick the bones. So the first step in making chicken stock is to pop the carcass in the oven. It goes in for 40 minutes at about 180 degrees. So the most important ingredient of the stock is the bones. And all I'm going to do is pull it apart, pop it in a big pan and add a few extra ingredients to flavour it. Cool. That goes in there, that's the neck. And then we're just going to pop in a couple of carrots. Chop them up a bit. These are broccoli stems. Pop those in too. Got a couple of bay leaves. Half and a dozen or so juniper berries. And the same with black peppercorns. Now, I'm just going to slice a couple of onions in half. Pop those in there too. Right, one and a red one. Leave the skin on, that's fine. Pop it in. Decent sprig of thyme. And a good pinch of salt. It's just started to boil, so I've turned it down to a simmer. I'm just going to leave it now for about an hour, and that's pretty much it. You can use the same method for a goose carcass, a chicken carcass, a duck carcass, even if you've got beef bones or lamb bones, any old bones. Now it's been simmering now for an hour or so. I'm just going to strain it and see what it looks like. There it is, our beautiful chicken broth. Got a lovely colour to it though. Lovely colour. Smells lovely. And it tastes really good too.